Welcome to the part 9 of this playlist. We are looking at AZ104 real certification questions on Azure. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. There is a part 8 that we have posted in the Cloud Kernel members area. If you have still not become a member, please use the link in the description and join and become a Cloud Kernel member. You will gain access to many more important questions, which is important to clear certification. So let us jump into this question now. You have a VM, and that VM is using Windows operating system. See, there is a system event log on VMs, and if it logs more than 2 events, we should send alerts. Now they have also given you a solution. What you need to do is you need to say if this would work. If yes, you click yes. If no, you click no. Such questions are common in the certification exams. Log Analytics Workspace. This is a service which is used for working with the logs. The log data from Azure Monitor and Azure services, they are being used to perform some additional analysis. That's why it is called an Analytics Workspace. See, a lot of things are correct about this option except for this piece. If you see this here, the Microsoft Monitoring Agent VM extension, this is incorrect. We should use a Microsoft based monitoring agent to be put here. And for this reason, we are marking this no. Now you might ask, it is still a Microsoft product. Why should not we use it? So in the certification, it is very important to understand which service can be used for what purpose. And that is what the certification is trying to test. So we have the same question here. The option is same, but there is one change. Here it is saying you install the Microsoft monitoring agent on VM1. So what happens is, see, you have this VM, okay? And if you want the monitoring data to be sent somewhere, you should have an agent. Otherwise, it will not monitor and send it. So we put an agent. This guy is an agent here, okay? It is just like India has raw agents, and these agents are deployed on in different countries, for example some of the neighboring countries, and they keep sending information. So this agent is here now. This agent will now connect, and this agent has a boss. Who's the boss? Azure Monitor is the boss. So this guy here is Azure Monitor, and the monitor says, where do I send this data to? Should I send it to the head of the security, to the prime minister, whoever? So that guy here is your this box. If you see, this guy is your log analytics workspace. So this is how it works. It is similar to CIA agents. They are deployed here. These are your CIA agents. They send information to the CIA boss. The CIA boss then sends it into analytics workspace for future analytics or decision making, which is maybe some of the politicians, some of the leaders, some of the security heads, and they can make decisions on those alerts. So this would be my answer. Now you can get the same question but with a different flavor. Here the flavor is that, you see this change. They are now using storage account, and they are configuring SAS, shared access signatures. If you want to provide secure delegated access to resources, you can use this. For example, what resources the client may access, what permissions they have to these resources, how long SAS is valid. Sometimes we have people in our teams and we need to provide a shared access for a small period of time. You can use this feature. This feature also helps you with user delegation, service SAS, and account SAS. Like I explained, SAS is not a replacement of an agent. If you are not putting an agent on the ground, then it cannot track and monitor the alerts and send it back. So this itself is wrong. Always remember, you need to have an agent on the ground. You need to have his boss, which is a monitoring stuff. Okay. The problem here is, in the previous option we had log analytics workspace. SAS is not a replacement of log analytics workspace. They do have a monitoring agent on VM1. They are sending alerts, but after that they are not able to analyze it. They don't have a log monitoring workspace. So that's why this option is wrong. So there is a part 8 we just posted out in the members area, cloud kernel area. Please click the link in the description and you can become a cloud kernel for a very small premium. The paid content plus the free content together will help you clear the certifications. It will help you clear your concepts. This is the YouTube handle of this channel. You can search for different playlists. You can also look at so many videos. There are 500 plus videos and there are approximately close to 3000 questions around AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Snowflake, and Tableau certifications. This brings us to the end of part 9. Stay tuned, stay focused. See you in the next part.